Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial. Today we are going to learn about the confirm password validation. So this is on the on key press. Okay, if I just go with this one, so here you can see that password do not match, password matches, password do not match. Okay, and if I go with this 1 2 3 do not match because it's same. If I go with this, do not match. Okay, so how we are going to do that, let's have a look. Okay, so both have the password id pass and id confirm. Okay, and on input I'm using check match. Okay, so first of all we want both the values. Okay, if the pass equal to confirm pass and the pass is not equal to blank, if blank is not there then the password match, otherwise password do not match. So basically this needs to be the same, else the password will not match. Okay, so this is a basic or simple logic that you have to use because we have to compare both the inputs. Okay, and both should, and the password should not be empty. Here you can see that the password should not be blank, otherwise why it's gonna be matching, right? So this is how you can match the password, confirm the password. Any doubt, any query, let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.